Morales! Fun! Are you ready to sing and dance with me? Let me hear you scream! Come on, everybody! Come on, fun! No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all that's said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? Do you want? I can hear something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. No, 'cause I know that I'll get through it. And I know that I am strong. I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. No, I don't need you anymore. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Love. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Love. All right, fun! It's your party today! Close your innocent salad wings. And oh, how sometimes it's like a blowing wind. It could take us to wherever. Send innocent salad wings. But I have broken all the rules of love. Come on, give me a beat. I never dreamed that I could come this far, but now I'm lost in my emotion. You're becoming my devotion. There's nothing I can do to stop this love for you. But sing to fall in love with you. I someone else, and someone else is loving you. And I was not supposed to let this love get through. So let me say for real, heaven's what I feel when I'm with you. It is forever. It feels like heaven. Here's what I feel when we're together. Just look in my eyes and you see it's true. I was not supposed to fall in love with you. I have someone else, and someone else is loving you. And I was not supposed to let this love get through. So let me say for real, heaven's what I feel when I'm with you. Wow! Hello mga kababayan! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ha? Ang lamig, ano? O parang nasa US lang tayo. O parang Tagaytay lang, di ba? But anyway, thank you so much for being here today. This is your celebration. And let's give a big hand to the Philippine Extravaganza for Arts, Culture, and Heritage for bringing me here to Von, and also to Von Canton. Let's give him a big hand. And to the whole team. I'm so happy to see everyone tonight, today, that everyone's having a great time. Daghan mag-Bisaya dere. Mga Ilocano. Kapampangan. Ang mga Ilocano ay ayatayin ka. Kapampangan ni Kenny. Mga Bisaya. Ilonggo, parang ganun din yan Bisaya. My dad is from Bohol, so Ilonggo din. Ha? Taga Manila! So, ay parang konti lang. But, you know, to all of you who came here, maraming salamat. But let's give yourselves a big hand. Alright, since this is your celebration, because this is like yearly, right? So I'm just so happy that I'm one of the guests today for the Von Fiesta Extravaganza. So I want this to be very special. Actually, I just came from the US and flew here. And I'm just so happy that I get to perform for all of you today. Gusto niyo bang mga teleserye ang aking awitin? Alam niyo, hindi ko napansin na napakarami na palang teleserye kong nagawa na theme songs. So I'm really grateful to ABS-CBN, TFC, for giving me the chance to sing the songs of the theme songs of mga teleserye. And so we made a medley of those beautiful music just to bring back those memories. Diba? Oo, di ba? Nakakamiss ang Pinas. So I'd like to bring this medley of music. And I'm sure familiar po kayo. So if you feel like singing with me, just go ahead and sing with me, okay? All right, here we go. Ito ka na naman, kumakatok sa aking pintuan, muling naghahanap ng makakausap. Lower the mic, please. At eto naman ako, nakikinig sa mga kwento mong paulit-ulit lang, nagtitiis kahit nasasaktan. Chorus. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, mag-iisa, di ka na muling luluha pa, di ka na mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Kung ako na lang sana, kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa, di ka na mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Kung ako na lang sana. Eto, naalala niyo, Agua Bendita, kasama ako dyan. So this is the theme song, which I also recorded. Malayo pa ang umaga, kahit sa dilim, naghihintay pa rin. Umaasang bukas ay may liwanag sa aking buhay. Umaga ko'y aking hinihintay. Friends, sing with me. Malayo pa di matanaw, hanggang kailan matitiis ang paghihirap ko, at sa dilim hinahanap ang pag-asa na walang landas. Kailan ba darating ang bukas para sa atin? Malayo pa ang umaga. How about this one? This, I have a duet with Eric Santos. We have a version of this. Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan, Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita maging sino I super love this theme song. Ngayon at kailanman. Ngayon at kailanman. Sumpa ko'y ibigin ka. Hindi ka na mag-iisa. Sa hirap o ginhawa pa, asahang may kasama ka, sinta. Naroon ako tuwing na maaasahan mo, tuwing na ngayon at kailanman. Sing with me! Sa bawat lalong tumatamis, tumitingkad bawat kahapon ay daig nitong bawat ngayon. Nanaig ng bawat bukas. Sa bawat araw pag-ibig ko sa'yo niyag, lalong tumatamis, tumitingkad bawat kahapon ay daig nitong bawat ngayon. Nanaig ng bawat bukas. Kita tanging sa may kapal. Ngayon at bigla ako napasayaw, yan na lang yata yun. Ay nako, napakasarap kumanta kapag ganito ang audience. Maraming salamat. Okay, so, ready na ba kayong magsayawan? Tapos na tayong magkantahan eh. Alam ko naman mahilig tayo sa mga karaoke, di ba? Tayo mga Pinoy mahilig talaga at saka sa mga teleserye. So, again, once again, palakpakan naman natin ang Philippine Extravaganza. We call it Peach. Ayan. And of course, to the whole team of Philippine Extravaganza for Arts, Culture, and Heritage, Let's give them a big hand just to give you entertainment and happiness today. So I'm just so grateful to be here. And once again, well, actually, I see some friends over here. Where's Paolo Tolentino? He's my road manager from Star Magic. Of course, Javier. Anyway, Miss Beverly. Of course, Von, Pao, of course, is there. Nandun pala si Pao. Okay, so, do you wanna dance? Sige, kaya ganun-ganun na lang. O kaya ganyan-ganyan. Pwede, no? Oo. Alright, here we go. Alright, Von. Give me a beat. Delicious taste, you need a woman such in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So family with grace. So come on, everybody! Woo! Woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman. Woo! All right. Thought I ended up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky. Now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married. And for being I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love. One taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing. The love that I've lost, that's not what I see. Look what I've got. Look at what you taught me. Come on, ladies, sing. Thank you. Next, sing. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Thank you, next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next. Sing. Thank you, next. One more time. Thank you, next. Yeah. Come on, do the clap. Do this. Do the clap. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating the Milky Way. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating you, moonlight. true all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. All right, put your hands in the air. Come on. Woo. Come on, boy. Here we go. Marry me, say yes. Marry me, say yes. Marry me, say yes. I've never seen forever. I've never seen forever, wonder why. But now I'm looking in its eyes. Baby, you're my shelter from a broken paradise. I couldn't dream it any better if I tried. True love got a ring, ring, ring. Sing, ring, sing. This queen need a king, king, king. A life, a life, a life. True love got a ring, ring, ring. Church bells get a sing, ring, ring. Angels get a sing, sing, sing. Tonight, tonight, tonight. You know the song? Marry me, say yes. Marry me, say yes. Would you love me, baby? I want you in my life so bad. Would you love me, baby? Marry me, say yes for the rest of your life. Thank you! Thank you, Vaughn. Hi, Dons.
Wow, palakpakan naman natin Miss Vina Morales! Such a concert experience, the total,
Thank you, guys.
the ultimate performer. Not just in the Philippines, but all over the world na ayan. Pahingan muna natin si Miss Vina kasi, Diyos ko, grabe, no? Kung sa Bisaya pa, banggiitan, howd kayo, grabe ang tingog.
Thank you, Kayo. Thank you, Dai. Thank you, everyone. You're such a great audience. Thank you very much. You know, I'd like to thank this personally because I think the last time I was here was 12 years ago. Sa Toronto, 12 years pa, wala pa ako anak nun ah.
I know. Pero parang walang pinagbago, Miss Vina. Ang bata-bata mo pa rin, grabe. Diba? Tapos pag sumayaw, grabe. Todo talaga. As in, walang nakaka-proud. And ang voice quality, my gosh. Bisaya na mestiza, ang galing ng boses. As in, ikaw na talaga mapapasa na all. Diba? Agree kayo, right?
Thank you.
Pasample pa. You know what, guys? Mga ka-fester, extravagancer, half pa lang po yan ng pinakita ni Miss Vina. Kasi marami pang susunod, Miss Vina, right?
Well, actually, not so much because there will be other entertainers today. But I'm just so glad that everyone's here and enjoying themselves. But again, to Peach, thank you for bringing me here. Sa uulitin?
Yes! Because for sure, nabitin sila. Bitin na bitin, right? Yes.
Thank you.
Pero that's a good thing. At least meron pa kayong ilo-look forward. But before anything else, Miss Vina, would you like to invite them and let them know about your upcoming shows? I've heard you've done a Broadway show as well, right?
Yeah, I performed in New York, Broadway, New York, last year for Here Lies Love. I felt so blessed to be able to do the part of Miss Lea Salonga while she was on another musical in London. So I was there for like a month. And ako yung gumanap ng role ni
Miss
Lea.
Lea. Wow,
Yeah,
palakpakan
who's a good
naman
friend of mine.
natin. Proud Filipino. And of course, aside from capturing the stage of Broadway in New York, you've also done a lot of movies.
I just finished Sunny. It's a Filipino adaptation. The original is a Korean film. And it was just shown like less than a month ago before I left. Because I did a show. I'm sure baka mag-Netflix na yun. But anyway, it's called Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y.
Parang
so it's
ngayon.
a Filipino Sunny. Oh. And then I was just in Arizona to do a show. And I will be back on August and September for my solo shows and a back-to-back concert with JR.
Yes, but that would be in the US, right?
In the US,
So hopefully
yes.
you'll
August,
have
September.
a concert here in Toronto. Gusto niyo ba yun? Ayan na, Miss Vina.
Oo ba?
Diyos ko, sa kakatiti ko kay Miss Vina, manikang-manika, naging lalaki ulit ako. Charot.
Ganda-ganda,
Oo.
oh. Sobra.
Ka-outfit ko naman si Robin Padilla, di ba yung best?
Ikaw talaga. Nakatuwang-tuwa naman kayo.
Okay, Miss Vina.
Okay.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the ultimate performer, Miss Vina Morales!
Ito na. Ito na yung pangako sa'yo. Pwedeng sabayan niyo ako? Ngayon ko lang nabatid na hindi biruan umibig. Nakakatapakan na damay tunay na ligaya habang sa'yo'y buong puso't buhay ko ngayon'y pinagpaubaya. Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at hinawa natin pag-ibig. Upang di magkalayo kailanman, pagkat ang tulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko. Noon, akala ko ang wagas na pag-ibig ay sa nobela lang matatagpuan, at para bang kay hirap na paniwalaan. Ikaw pala ang hinihintay ko, pangarap. Ngayong kapiling ka at tayo'y isa, hindi ko hahayaan na sa atin ay may hadlang. Sing with me, Paul! Pangako. Sa hirap at ginhawa, upang di magkalayo, kailanman, pagkat ang tulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko. Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa buhay ko. Pangako sa'yo. Upang di magkalito kailanman, pagkat tulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko. Pangako sa'yo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko.
Thank you. Once again to all of you, maraming salamat. To Peach, let's give them a big hand once again. All right, let's go back to the 70s.
I love the nightlife. I've got to boogie on a disco in a house. Yeah, come on, fun. Woo! Please don't talk about love tonight. Please don't talk about seeing love. Please don't talk about being true and all the troubles that we've been through. Oh, please don't talk about all the plans we have for fixing this broken romance. I wanna know where the people dance. I want some action. I wanna have action. I got so much to give. I wanna give it. I wanna get some too. I've got to boogie on a disco in a house. Yeah. Oh, I love the nightlife. I've got to boogie on a disco in a house. Yeah. Here's another song from the 70s. I never can say goodbye. No, 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 no. I never can say goodbye. Every time I think I've had enough and start heading for the door, there's a very strange vibration kissing me right to the core. It says, turn around, you fool. You know you love it more than I. Tell me why. Is it so? Don't wanna let you go. I never can say goodbye, boy. I never can say goodbye. Hey, I never can say goodbye, boy. I never can say goodbye. To all of you, thank you for you're such a great audience. Happy Fiesta! Woo! You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love us survive. And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The thought of you is sweet. There are no words yet to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Are you ready, brothers? Are you ready to sing the chorus? Come on! Louder this time! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4! I love you, baby. And if it's right or not, I love you, baby. So I love you now. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say one more time. Baby, don't let me down, I'm afraid. Oh, baby, now that I know you stay, oh, let me love you, baby. Let me love you.
Last days for love. Just since my patience for romance to die. Oh, I need you, honey, beside me, to guide me, to hold me and scold me. 'Cause when I'm pale, I'm so pale. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. Last days for love. Just since my passion for romance to die. Oh, I need you pounding beside me, to guide me, to hold me and scold me. 'Cause when I'm pale, I'm so pale. So let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance tonight.
Thank you. God bless you, Vaughn. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ayan. Sige po, Vina kayo, Vina. Vina, Vina, Vina. Sorry, di na po siya babalik. Tapos na po. Ayan. But before, ay,
Okay, you guys want some more?
yes! Ay, ayan, Diyos ko, grabe naman talaga si Miss Vina. Pinagbibigyan talaga tayo ni Miss Vina. Ang init kasi po.
Sobra.
I
And of
know.
course, anyway, but I am happy to be performing for all of you today. Okay, ito yung mga sariling atin. So it's your last chance to sing and dance with me for today, okay? I hope to be back here soon. Thank you once again to Peach. Let's give them a big hand. All right, mga kababayan! Woo!
Wala rin mangyayari kung pag-isipan pa. Maghihintay na lang kung sino man iyan. Kapuan ng puso ko, tuloy pa rin ako.
Come on, Vaughn! Woo!
Galing lang ako sa inyo, at ako'y niloko mo. Pinag-usapan alas 8, nagandara pa naman. Okay lang sa akin yun, sana'y di na lang nagbago. 1,000 na yata ang nasigarilyo, inaabangan ang Pasko. Wala
Sige lang, sige lang. One more. Sige lang, sige lang. Itaas ang kilay. Hala, hala. Mga Pinoy. Ah, hala, uy. Hala. Tapos na ang araw ng hirap at gutom. Swerte kang nakahagip ng palato. Buhok mo'y Gucci, talampang ay Gucci. Suot mo'y gawari pito'y pinakalitan. And one more time. Here we go. Sige lang, sige lang. Louder. Sige lang, sige lang. Itaas ang kilay. Ano to? Anong song to? YMCA? Are you sure, man? Marami na akong naloko dito. Tingnan nga natin kung tama. Ang YMCA. Ewan ko na lang. Eto na! Walang iba pang sasarap sa pagtitingin natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Woo! Pangako ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpakailanman. Ha! Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na pandalawahan. Kaya't sa aking awit tayo ay magbigayan. Sagutin! Ha! Awitin mo at oh, ha! Awitin mo at oh, oh, oh. Panahon na para magsaya. Forget ko na. Pa-dance, dance. Rock and roll. Wag ka tayo pang magpa-cry, cry. Tayo ko ay kaya turn na lang ngayon. Have a good time. Di ko say na magdala. Ang say ko lang ay magpa. Stop ka na sa pagturusa. Right ka lang sa problema. Di ko trip ang magkatako. Hate na hate ko ang matulog. Trip ko lang ang eksena. Ito ang sobrang bilang. Kasi na lang kong madre. Bow na lang ng bow. Pasingsing ka lang. Ikaw ay sumayaw. Kababayan, pwedeng gawin natin to? Woo! Come on, Mom! Happy Fiesta! Di ko say na magwala ka. Ang say ko lang ay stop ka na sa pagturusa. Right ka lang sa problema.
good time! Miss Vina, ayan. Wow, grabe. Diyos ko. Dito sa Fiesta Extravaganza, we're so extravagant. That's why we give you the best, the most amazing, and the ultimate performer, Miss Vina Morales! And we are gonna do a groupie, ayan, sa ating mga organizers. And of course, you guys, palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. My gosh, I was looking from the back.
Raise your hands. Dapat nakaupo tayo.
Ang saya-saya niyong tignan, ayan.
Hindi sila kita eh. Baba.
Baba daw tayo, sana makita tayo.